Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Kit, and something that I really love is that I really love to grow as a person. And a friend of mine, Jason, told me this really helpful question, and I think it's really helped me to grow, and I just wanted to share it with you. So it started 6 months ago when I was at a conference, and at this conference I talked about friendship and the importance of friendship. And so I reflected on whether I actually, was investing time and energy into my friends. And I think there is some good and some things that I can work on. But I thought about reading books. So I read a whole lot of different books about friendship in the last 6 months. Some by women just talking about their experiences of a range of friendship as they grow up from like a child to an adult. I've read some books from Christian authors called Spiritual Friendship, talking about what's alike, between believers in their friendship. I read the Bible and I looked at all of the 160 verses that had the word friendship or friend in it to kind of get an idea of what the Bible said about the friendship as well. One verse that really, stood out to me was Proverbs 27, 5-6. Let me read it to you. It says Proverbs 27, verse 5. Better is open rebuke than hidden love. Wounds from a friend can be trusted, but an enemy multiplies kisses. I wonder if you have anyone like this, a close friend who can speak into your life. It could be quite scary if they tell you something that you are blinded to and you don't even realize that you're doing. But I guess how good it is to have someone in your life who will tell you the honest truth. Someone that you can trust their opinion because they love you and they care for you and they know you, and you can actually listen to what they say. And they're not just going to agree with you and go along with you if they think it's a bad idea. Someone who's going to help you to become, a better version of yourself. I thought that would be so amazing and how good it is. So this is my question for you to ask your close friends. So the question is, what do you think I should change or grow in? What do you think I should change or grow in? So ask some of your close friends what they think. You might need to give them some time to think about it. They might not think, it's probably wise to have for them to kind of go away and think and then come back with a, good and thoughtful answer. And when I'm saying about close friends, family could also be friends because, siblings, you could be friends with your sibling, you can be friends with your parents. So it's not like a restrictive, you can't just be one category. But anyone, who is close in your life that you can trust their opinion, go and ask them. It is scary, but I think it would be just really interesting, and listen to their response. I think that would be, just to kind of hear what is it that maybe you're blinded to and you don't see. And the other person that would be really good to ask is to ask Jesus. In John chapter 15, verse 15, there is an invitation for us to be friends with him. How amazing. So as a friend, Jesus also sees and knows. So let me encourage you to also pray this week in your prayers, Jesus, God, what is it that you want me to change? Is there some area in my life that you want me to grow in? And see what happens. All right, I'll catch you next time. Bye.